Hi there. The topic I'm going to be speaking about today is tax resolution. And the first step to getting relief from your current tax debt situation with the IRS is to become compliant with the IRS. Ultimately, this means that you must have all your tax returns filed for the past 6 years. Then once you're compliant with the IRS, the next step is identifying how much you owe the IRS for taxes. Once you've determined this amount, your options are to settle that debt or get into a payment plan. In order to get into a payment plan, you would need to enter into an installment agreement with the IRS. Depending on how much money you owe to the IRS, you can get into a 5-year payment plan. But if you owe more than $25,000, you can negotiate with the IRS to come up with a reasonable settlement. This is called an offer in compromise. You must prove to the IRS by providing them with financial documents that you're not able to make the monthly payment and not able to pay the current debt. At this point, the IRS may decide to settle the debt through an offer in compromise. This process can take up to 9 months in some cases to resolve. Once you've agreed on a manageable installment agreement or offer in compromise with the IRS, all liens will be removed, allowing you to move on with your life, as long as you stay in compliance with the IRS and continue to pay what you have agreed to for the next 5 years. This is a very brief overview of the tax settlement process, and these are examples of some ways to get out of tax debt. This process can be time-consuming and overwhelming. This is why many people turn to tax resolution companies and tax lawyers to complete all the necessary steps as well as negotiate with the IRS on their behalf. Authority Tax Services is an example of a tax resolution company. The CEO of the company is Wayne R. Johnson, a super lawyer in the field of taxation law. In 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012 calendar years. And unlike some, they offer a free tax evaluation to discuss your situation and to find out if it would be beneficial for you to use their services. Thanks for listening.